Hi, my name's Marissa and I'm the founder of Wild and Cruelty Free, your online destination for vegan and cruelty-free beauty products. For close to 10 years, I've been trialing and reviewing the latest beauty products, and in 2018, I decided to make the switch and only shop and support brands that were cruelty-free. As an animal lover, I couldn't fathom the thought of these innocent animals being used for cosmetics testing, but sadly it still occurs around the world today. When you shop at Wild and Cruelty Free, you're not just buying another pretty makeup or skincare product, you're buying from a brand that stands for something. We proudly stock and support Australian vegan and cruelty-free brands who tread lightly on the earth while creating a circular economy. I really want to help people become more aware of an industry that disguises harmful behaviour with pretty packaging. So I've done the research to eliminate any confusion and to help guide you on a journey towards better beauty. I've curated a conscious collection of makeup, skincare and wellness products that all work harmoniously together and that I personally use and trust. I also provide a free video tutorial for every product online so you can implement it effortlessly into your routine and get the most out of your products. At Wild and Cruelty Free, we aim to simplify your beauty routine while amplifying your impact. And we're also going to be donating $1 from every sale to animal charities and organisations who are out on the front line doing the hard work and protecting these innocent animals from harm. Everything we do at Wild and Cruelty Free is led by kindness and compassion. No animal should ever have to suffer for our vanity. So by making the switch to vegan and cruelty-free beauty products, collectively we can make a difference and create a kinder world for all.